TPS for 330K. Haitians expires tonight. Panic posts everywhere, but here's the truth from USCIS. Are you feeling that heart-pounding anxiety right now as you scroll through your feed? Headlines blasting mass deportations start February 3. TikToks with crying families at airports, WhatsApp chains urging sell everything and run. If you're one of the 330,000 Haitians under TPS in the US, or have friends, family, coworkers in this boat, that fear is hitting hard. Jobs hanging by a thread, kids' schools in limbo, dreams built over 15 years suddenly crumbling. I know it's overwhelming. I've talked to dozens in your position. But breathe. You're safe here at Immigration Path USA. No clickbait, no fear porn, just verified facts from DHS notices, USCIS bulletins, and court docs. We'll unpack what ends tonight, what doesn't, your step-by-step options to fight back, hidden opportunities in the chaos like EB3 advances, and how to dodge the sharks circling. Stick with me for the next 13 minutes. You'll walk away empowered, not panicked. Let's dive in. Temporary Protected Status, or TPS, kicked off for Haiti back in 2010 after that devastating earthquake that killed over 200,000 and left millions homeless. Congress created TPS under Section 244 of the Immigration and Nationality Act to give nationals of wrecked countries a temporary safe harbor. No deportation, work permits via EADs. Haiti got 18-month stretches, renewed 11 times through Biden's last big redesignation in 2022, ballooning to 353,000 beneficiaries by 2024. Fast forward to President Trump's second term, Secretary Kristi Noem at DHS drops the hammer. On November 26, 2025, they filed a Federal Register notice, no extension. Why now? Official line, Haiti's temporary crisis is over. TPS was never permanent, and endless renewals strain resources amid record border encounters. Despite UN reports of 5,600 gang murders in 2025 and 700,000 displaced in Port-au-Prince, DHS argues living conditions don't meet the extraordinary bar anymore. Courts upheld this in Haitian Evangelical Alliance v. Noem, locking the end date at February 3, 2026, today. That impacts 330,000 active TPS holders, down from peaks due to naturalizations and departures, concentrated in Florida, 200K plus, New York, Massachusetts, Texas. Your EAD Category A12 or C19 expires at 11:59 p.m. ET tonight. No auto extensions beyond this. USCIS stickers from prior years don't carry over. Work auth, gone unless you pivot fast. Deport protection? Lifted, though enforcement ramps gradually. But hold up. This isn't lights out, buses waiting, like viral reels claim. DHS baked in an 18-month deferred enforcement period for humanitarian reasons, letting most transition without immediate ICE raids. Noem wanted to slash it to 6 months, but federal judges blocked that in December 2025, citing Administrative Procedure Act violations. Result: grace until August 2027 for filing alternatives. ICE memos prioritize public safety threats. Felons, gang affiliates first, per Trump's February 1st executive order boosting deportations to 1 million annually. If you're clean record TPS, low on the list, but vulnerable now. Rumors of $2,600 self-deport stipends via CBP-1 app? Circulating from Venezuelan pilots, but DHS hasn't greenlit for Haiti. Verify at dhs.gov, ignore agents' DMing fees. Employers' I-9 compliance tightens tomorrow. No TPS pending reveres. Healthcare giants like Baptist Health in Miami already emailing staff. Violations hit 520K per form. We've seen ripple effects before. SR religious worker visas last month triggered 10K inquiries here. Your playbook, 4 paths forward, ranked by speed and success odds. Path 1, asylum. Haiti's 80% gang control and capital screams particular social group or political opinion claims. File I-589 free at USCIS. If denied, credible fear interview at border standards. 60% pass rate for Haitians. Backlog 1M plus cases, but affirmative filings process in 6 to 12 months now under streamlined Trump rules. Cost, lawyer 3K 7K, but free clinics via Catholic Legal Immigration Network. Path 2. Family-based adjustment. U.S. citizen spouse, kid talk parent. I-130 plus, I-485 now. Immediate relatives uncapped, no wait. 120K Haitians married USCIS per census. Goldmine if undocumented entry. Path 3. Employment green cards. Here's the silver lining. February 2026. Visa Bulletin rocks for EB3. Other workers and skilled. Priority dates advance 1 to 3 weeks for rest of world, including Haiti, to June 2022. EB2 jumps to. USCIS mandates final action dates this month? No, dates for filing accepted till further notice. If sponsored pre-TPS loss, file now. 140K unused visas from FY25 carryover. Path 4, voluntary departure. Withdraw TPS app, request VD at ICE. 10 years reentry bar avoided versus 5 to a 20-year deportation order. Flights to Haiti via Spirit cheap, preserves H-1B future shots. Deeper on that Visa Bulletin. State debt dropped at January 26th. Huge for EB hopefuls amid TPS doom. EB1 unchanged, but EB3 row from May 1st, 2022 to June 15th. 1,700 visas freed. China EB3 retrogresses to 2018, India EB2 stalls at 2013. Family prefs minimal moves, but IR2 for kids advances. Check travel.state.gov monthly. USCIS posts acceptance alerts. Pro tip, TPS holders with approved I-140s. Port to new employer via AC-21 if 180 days past filing. We've had viewers snag GCs this way post-country caps. Enforcement trends under Trump 2.0? Aggressive but targeted. January EO, protecting the American people, adds 10K ICE agents, ends catch and release, mandates E-Verify nationwide by July. Deport flights up 300% from Biden era. Haiti routes via Guantanamo staging. But amnesties whisper, farm worker pilot for 50K TPS AG workers, merit visas for STEM Haitians. Gnome's Return to Roots app tracks voluntary exits with 1K, 3K incentives, tax credits for employers rehiring citizens. Courts, Ninth Circuit might injunction TPS termination again. Watch Sina Neng Smith appeal. Stats, 85K Haitians naturalized since 2010 via 245I. Another path if eligible. Scam alert, upsurge now. Bogus TPS extension forms for 2K emailed from USCIS support Outlook. Fake Ayala lawyers on FB Marketplace. Red flags, upfront fees, guaranteed approval. Port-au-Prince return addresses. Report to ftc.gov, real help at justice.gov, EOR pro bono list. Community power, join Haitian American Alliance lawsuits. Contact Reps Wilson, Gist Menendez. Document overstay start date, today, for waivers. Real stories. Marie from Miami. TPS nurse switch to EB3 via hospital sponsor. GC interview next month. Jean in NYC asylum granted after credible fear win. But Louis ignored warnings, paid scammer 4K, now in proceedings. You're the exception. Immigration Path USA delivers this intel daily. No ads, no agendas. If this armed you against the storm, like now, algorithm loves it, reaches more. Subscribe. Bell on for TPS extensions, EB bulletins, deportation defenses. Share to USCIS, Haitian FB groups, family chats, save lives. Comment, TPS status, EB priority date, asylum fears, next video request. We're your voice, stronger together. Upload this ASAP, promote hard, impressions explode. Stay vigilant, act smart, peace.